gosh, I think just all of it has been great ideas and great, little pieces of the puzzle that we can take back and really benefit from.
For me personally, as well as for I think the ladies in our staff, it gives us an opportunity to network. We get to hear what other offices are experiencing, how they have implemented changes or what levels of difficulty and what type of outcome they've been having with their success.
I really like the enthusiasm from the girls. They're really enthusiastic and excited about what you're doing.
So the fact that I have Inspired Hygiene Rachel bringing in practice boosters in as a resource for us, I've really enjoyed that.
You always learn something, always. As many years as we've been in dentistry, there's always something you can pick up and something you can learn to do better.
They listen to us of what we're needing, and they are fun to work with and teaching. So that, it's not just a boring program, that they make it fun, and you walk away with so much knowledge. Financially, since I'm in the administrative side, we went from a 6% perio percentage to about a 16-17%. So within the last 9 months, we've had about a 10% increase.
Be sure you make it to the next Inspired Hygiene Masters Academy workshop. We just had a blast being with these teams that have been in the Inspired Hygiene family for a long time, and they just keep coming back, and we love working with them, teaching and learning from them, and all of us learning together.